Want to improve your English tenses with simple conversations? In this video, I will answer the same question using present, past, and future tenses. I am, I was, I will be. Are you studying now? Yes, I'm studying for my exam. No, I was studying in the morning. I will be studying after dinner. I feel, I felt, I will feel. Are you tired? I feel tired now. I felt tired last night. I will feel tired after work. I know, I knew, I will know. Do you know this place? I know this place well. I knew this place years ago. I will know this place better after exploring. I have, I had, I will have. Do you have a laptop? Yes, I have a laptop. Yes, I had a laptop. Yes, I will have a laptop by next week. I take, I took, I will take. Do you take your vitamins daily? Yes, I take my vitamins every morning. Yes, I took my vitamins yesterday. Yes, I will take my vitamins after dinner. I speak, I spoke, I will speak. Do you speak English fluently? Yes, I speak English fluently. Yes, I spoke English during my last interview. Yes, I will speak English in tomorrow's meeting. I exercise. I exercised. I will exercise. Why do you exercise? I exercise to stay fit. I exercised regularly before my exams. I will exercise more after joining the gym. I try. I tried. I will try. What do you do when you are nervous? I try to stay calm. I tried deep breathing once. I will try meditation next time. I become. I became. I will become. How do you improve your skills? I become confident by practicing. I became better after hard work. I will become faster with time. I use, I used, I will use. How do you improve your writing? I use simple words. I used short sentences before. I will use better examples. I think, I thought, I will think. How do you solve problems? I think carefully. I thought it about before. I will think of a solution. I plan. I planned. I will plan. How do you manage your time? I plan my task. I planned everything last week. I will plan better next time. I learn. I learned. I will learn. How do you improve your vocabulary? I learn new words. I learned 5 words yesterday. I will learn more words. I keep. I kept. I will keep. How do you organize your files? I keep them in folders. I kept them sorted. I will keep them updated. I take. I took. I will take. How do you travel to work? I take the bus. I took a taxi yesterday. I will take the metro next time. I practice. I practiced. I will practice. How do you improve your typing speed? I practice every day. I practiced for an hour yesterday. I will practice again tomorrow. I go. I went. I will go. Do you go shopping? I go shopping sometimes. I went shopping last weekend. I will go shopping next Friday. I see. I saw. I will see. Do you see the teacher's message? I see it on my phone. I saw it this morning. I will see it after class. I need. I need it. I will need. Do you need help? I need some help now. I needed help yesterday. I will need help tomorrow.